Hi there lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making the best one pan Cajun creamy spaghetti with chicken. It is super quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. You're going to season your chicken breast, and I'm using about 2.5 pounds of chicken breast. You can also use thighs, boneless thighs. All right, everything that I'm using will be in the description box down below. Now you're going to sear your chicken on each side for about a minute, 30 seconds. Because they're really small pieces, you don't want to overcook your chicken breast. You're going to set them aside and let them rest. Now to the very pan, you are going to add some butter. Allow this to melt, then add your onions. Until this become nice and translucent, go in with your garlic and some habanero peppers. Now you can also add chili flakes here. The peppers are optional. You're going to add your flour. Allow this to cook for about a minute or so. Stirring consistently. Then you're going to add your stock. You are going to add your Cajun seasoning. You're also going to add some milk, or half and half, and some heavy cream. You're also going to add some cream cheese. If you do not have cream cheese, that is fine. This is just extra creaminess if you do have it. Okay. So I do also add, I add some wilted spinach. I did not want it to go to waste. If you don't have spinach, again, that is just fine. Things are way too expensive. So now you're going to add your cheese, and I'm using smoked Gouda. You can add any cheese of your choice. Go in with your chicken. Half of the chicken I'm adding into the sauce. Look at that, guys. It is so thick, creamy, and absolutely divine. Now you're going to boil your spaghetti until it is nice and al dente to the instructions in the packet, and you're going to pour that into your sauce. Toss that up. Look at that, guys. Mwah! Super delicious. I can't wait for you guys to make it, man. And it is so easy. And that's it. And I did garnish with a little bit more of the chicken on top and some parsley. You can have this with your garden salad or tomatoes and cucumbers for freshness. Alright, so thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do not forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe, and drop me a comment. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys. Bye-bye.